Hello everyone, in this video today we are going to show a feature of physical inventory adjustment approval. So for this we have one configuration. Here in configuration setting menu you can find approval configuration, in which you can set a minimum quantity. So after this limit exit, the approval record is generated. You can also manage it with company, and here we have a dynamic levels wise configuration. So here you can select a user and select a approval user whom confirm the approval. Here we have user and group. Here you select any groups, whether it is custom or standard. So here we have a for San Francisco company approval record, and minimum quantity here we set is 5. So we are login with another user Mac demo. Okay, now here we create a one physical inventory. So here we have 88 quantity currently on hand, and now we update to 85. So the difference is just 3, and just apply. So see, no approval is created because we set here minimum quantity to 5. So now I can update more quantity. Let's I have set to 70 and just apply. See, this stage is changed to waiting for approval, and here automatic get this record of approval config. See, this approval one is automatically set. Now as per our config, the user missile admin is level 1 approval. So here admin get notification. Here in also receive email notification. See, from Mac demo to missile admin. All details are here. You can quick go through and perform operation. So here you can see waiting for approval menu for see all the pending waiting for approval records. Here we have just one, so this one record is visible. Here you can easily apply approve or reject whatever you want. So here I am just click on approve. So our second group is inventory administrators. So this mission admin is also inventory administrator, so he also knows. Now until this all level are completed, this stage is waiting for approval, not getting approved. After all the levels are configured and approved, then also this quantity is set properly. So again we approve this record. Now here you can see that this approved by option and also details. Here you can approve and whom approve, which time, all these records are maintained, just like approval history. See, next is also approved by Michelle admin. We also check this email notification. See, this admin to Mac demo. Finally, your inventory adjustment has been full approved. You may now apply it. Okay, so now this all is approved. You just need to apply. See, the quantity is updated. Now we are going to check rejection flow. So here again I am set quantity. Okay, I am set more than one record. Also you can apply through this my section. Just apply, update quantity. See, required records are going to waiting for approval stage, and whoever is not needed approval, it's directly updated. See, these two are not needed any approval, so with this my section they are directly updated. Okay, so we are going to check another approvals. See, we have set so many adjustments, so all these notifications are there. Okay, so here we are going to check approval. Here you can also see approval of respected user, and here all approvals are seen. So 3 approvals are assigned to mark demo, so we just reject this. Enter a reason is mandatory. Just reject, click on reject. See, here notification is there and directly reset to draft. Also we have notified by mail, so here we check reject. Your inventory is rejected. So rejected is directly applied to inventory adjustment, and normal user only see this my approval menu, not another. And this admin, inventory admin, can see this waiting for approval menu also. Thank you for watching.